Welcome back to my channel. If you've forgotten the password of archive, here's the archive file I'll be using for this demo. As you can see, it's password protected. It's asking for a password I don't have. First, head over to the website. Link is in the description below, so go ahead and click that. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the section for the batch script. Go ahead and copy the entire script. Make sure you get all of it. Now open up Notepad on your computer. Paste the script in. Next, go to File, then Save As. Name it whatever you like, but make sure it ends in BAT. Change it from text documents to all files. This makes sure Windows saves it as a proper batch file and not a text file. Click Save. Now find the file you just saved and double-click it. A command prompt window will pop up. Don't worry, this is normal. It'll ask you to type in the file name of your archive, including the extension. Like RAR, type that in and hit Enter. Next, it'll ask for the file location. This is the full path to where the archive is saved on your computer. Type that in and hit Enter. Now just sit back. The script will start running through possible passwords, and depending on how complex the password is, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to a lot longer. I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch the whole thing. And there it is, the script found the password. Let's test it out on our archive. Typing it in. And boom, it works. We are in. And that's it. That's how you can recover a forgotten password from an archive file. If this video helped you out, make sure you're subscribed for more tech tips and tutorials like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.